Okay, another thing that we had to determine is if we can make a triangle, and if so, what kind of triangle. So you need to have this, I believe, memorized, that if a squared, we're talking about a squared plus b squared, and then we're talking about c squared. If a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then it's going to be a right triangle. If a squared plus b squared is greater than c squared, then it's going to be an acute. And if a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, it's going to be obtuse. So there's going to be two questions. First, can this be a triangle? Well, that rule said that in ascending order, you put these in from least to greatest. That rule said a plus b has to be greater than c in order to make a triangle. So 6 plus 8, I'm going to put my 9 out here. Haven't figured it out yet. 14 and 9. Well, 14 is greater than 9. So yes, it can be made into a triangle. Now I have to figure out what kind of a triangle. Obtuse, acute, or right. Well, 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 9 squared. 36 plus 81, oops, not equals, I'm not ready for equals yet. 81, okay? That's going to be 117 and 81 are my two numbers that I'm comparing. 117 is greater than 81, so this is going to be an acute. Okay? Now you try the next three on your own. Here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start solving them here. You put it on pause, you solve them on your own. First, I'm going to ask, can it be a triangle? 3 plus 4 and 5, 7 and 5. 7 is greater than 5, so yes. Yes, this can be a triangle. 3 squared plus 4 squared is something to 5 squared. 9 squared plus, 9 plus 16 to 25. And that turns out to be 25 equals 25. Okay, that's what that turns out to be. So that's going to be a right triangle. Okay, the next one, I asked the question, 2 plus 3 is something to 6. It's 5 is less than 6. So this cannot be a triangle. Okay, and then the last one here, 4 plus 5 is something to 7. 9 is something to 7. 9 is greater than 7. So yes, I can get a triangle out of that. Let me rewrite that over here. So it's 4, 5, and 7. 4 squared plus 5 squared equals 7 squared, or some value to 7 squared, excuse me. 16 plus 25 is something to 49. Okay, and then we have 41 is something to 49. 41 is less than 49. So this is going to be an obtuse triangle based on that rule. So if you get this right here, he's probably going to ask you first, can you make a triangle? That's when you add them together and determine greater or less than, and then you take the square roots of them to determine this part. So this should all be review. All right. Next will be 30, 60, 90.